These rocks just came from a good washing, water hose washing. They will go over to the table where I use the toothbrush with sand and salt and soap. And each one will be buffed probably about, 10-15 minutes all the way around, real careful to knock off that little fuzz that naturally forms on a stone that's been in the earth for 20,000 years. But it doesn't form a lot. I mean, a good buffing with a toothbrush and sand and some of that blue soap, they clean up pretty good. So these stones, I will take and buff them up. There's also organic material, little moss and just little micro organic material that will clean off with the sand and soap. Now to totally clean up a stone, I mean like almost back to like it was when it was made, I would take a stone and soak it in a solution of 20 volume hydrogen peroxide for about a month. And when you first drop it in there, you'll see it just bubbles and bubbles, and it will eat away the organic material that's kind of making its home down in the stone, which in itself, that growth of small microbic organic material is part of what tears the stone down. I mean, it takes a long time, but it does. It softens it up a little bit, and then it has to be buffed back to get to, well, where it's more, the colors, the images, especially the colors, they don't come out from this type of cleaning. I mean, they're part of the stone. They've soaked into the skin of the stone. So many of these, when I'm looking at them like this, I can see that there's color down in there. And the tool use, the scraper and all that. So I know this seems like a lot, and I may not be able to show all of them unless I do it real rapidly after I get them clean. But I've got all week. Maybe next weekend I will make a video on what these guys look like. Cleaned up, buffed, dried, one coat of polymer on it to give it a little bit of shine.